Is install these are the rear lights. We want to install those rear lights on this outer reflector. So we want to get a flathead screwdriver and pop both reflectors out, and this is what we will kind of get. We will kind of get an empty space like this with a hole, big hole on the bottom. So what we want to do is drill like a U-shaped hole here that will be used to for the cable. So after drilling the U-shaped hole, our cable will be going through the hole here, and it will fit. The cable will fit on the U-shaped hole that we drill, and we want to make sure we attach. You can see here our cable is inside the U-shaped hole, and we want to use our nut and washer, provided nut and washer to secure the rear lights. The rear lights on the back cover, on the rear cover. So we want to use use 11 millimeter socket to secure, to tighten them. This is what we get, our finished product here. Now let's go with plugging our lights. So plugging our lights, so our light will come with this connector that will connect to the master module. So let's access the master module. So accessing the master module, like I said, on the Permobil M300, the master module is usually on the back of the chair, right on top of the main switch. So you either want to pull it out, you pull it out if you want, or just open the cover. As you can see here, so we have J4, J7, and J5. Those are the light plug, where the light plugs. So our plug in this case we could either plug the light on J4 or J5. It just depends on what kind of connector you get. So in this specific case, the small connectors, you can either plug it on J4 or on J5. If you have the big connector, it has to go on J7. So what we want to do is, we want to plug our light. It doesn't matter where you plug which one, so you could just plug it randomly. So we're going to plug our light. So we have the connectors with four connectors here. We plug a light, plug a rear light, and then we plug our front lights. Plug our front lights. There's our front light. Like I said earlier, we can pull the master module out, and you can see two lines here. There's two lines here, and there's also two matching lines here. So you don't want to plug it the other way around. Even if you plug it the other way around, it won't fit. So if you try to plug it and it's a little uh, it can't get in, don't force it. It simply means that you are plugging in the wrong way. So just make sure the matching lines are going inside the matching holes. So plug it on, like I said, J4 or J5. So we plug it here, and after plugging, we can use uh, the provider, because those lights will come with zip ties. We can use a provider zip tie to secure the cable, because we want to make sure that the cables are away from the tires. So we want to make sure we secure all the cables. So for the meantime, so let's test our lights. So we're going to turn the wheelchair on. Wheelchair's on. Okay, so now let's turn it on. Turn the light on from the headlight button. So we have all our lights on. You can see the rear lights on, the headlights very bright, very bright, and also the rear light very bright. So we'll go ahead and kind of